Do you want to know how you can sign up for Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Melbet. Go ahead and search for Melbet login or Melbet sign up and click on the third link. It will take you to this page of Melbet where you can see registration on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. And you can see there are some types of registration like one click, by phone, by email, and social networks and messengers. So you can tap on one click, write down your promo code, your country, and you can click register. This way you can tap on with your one click account. And if you want to go by phone, go ahead and write down your phone number, select your currency, and after you click send SMS, the SMS code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and write down the code over here, click confirm, and then you can also write down a promo code if you have, and you can select the bonuses from here. Some types of bonuses are bonus for sports betting, casino plus fast games, and reject bonus. So you can select this and click register, and you can register via phone. And if you want to register via your email, go ahead and tap on email and then select your country, select your city from here. After you select your city, go ahead and write down your email address over here. Write down your phone number over here, your first name, your surname, and you must write down a password. Make sure you select a secure password and make sure you check your password from here. And rewrite your password once again over here in this box. Check your password once again, and if you have a promo code, go ahead and write it down over here and select the bonus from here. And then you can click register, and this way you can register using your email address. So guys, if the password doesn't match, you cannot create an account, you can see that. So go ahead and click register again, and in a while you can notice that your account will be made. So we have done one error, so the error is the phone number. So go ahead and change it again, and then you can see your username has been generated and your password has been generated too, and go ahead and click login. This way, you can easily sign up for Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.